Okay, this is how you rationalise the denominator on surds. So that is not a rational number, root 5, what we're going to turn into 1. And the way to do that is to multiply the top and bottom of that fraction by root 5. Because root 5 on root 5 is equal to 1, so you're not altering the question, you're not changing it. Okay, so 3 times root 5 is 3 root 5. And then root 5 times root 5 is 5. That is now a rational number. So you've rationalised the denominator. Okay. Another example is 2 over 5 root 3. Okay. So we only have to multiply top and bottom by the irrational part, which is root 3. So times it by root 3 over root 3. Okay, so that will become 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3, and 5 root 3 times root 3 is 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, another one, I'll just turn the page. Okay, now the ones you can come across as well are the ones where you have this type. So you have root 5 over root 2 minus 3. Okay, when you have that situation, you just multiply top and bottom by what we call the conjugate. So that's root 2 plus 3. That says root 2 minus 3. You multiply by root 2 plus 3 on the top and root 2 minus 3 on the bottom. Because you can see what will happen on the bottom, plus, that's a difference of 2 squares, so you can take a shortcut, okay, and that will become a rational number. Okay, so let's do the top first. Root 5 times root 2 is root 10, and root 5 times 3 is 3 root 5. Okay, on the bottom, the difference of 2 squares, so we're going to square the root 2, which is 2. We're going to square the 3, which is 9, and subtract them. Okay, and then we have root 10 plus 3 root 5 over minus 7. That's what 2 minus 9 is. And then bring your minus up the top all the time, okay? So it'll be minus root 10 minus 3 root 5 all over 7. Okay, here's another example, number 4. Okay, more complex one. So 2 root 3 plus root 5 all over root 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay. All right, so we're going to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of this, which simply means if that's a plus, you're going to make it a minus. Okay, top and bottom by the same thing. Right, and now you can do your expansion. So let's do the top. 2 root 3 times root 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 root 3 times minus 4 root 2 is minus 8 root 6. Root 5 times root 3 is root 15, and root 5 times minus 4 root 2 is minus 4 root 10, all over. Okay, difference of 2 squares again, so we go root 3 squared is 3, minus 4 4s are 16, okay, root 2 times root 2 is 2, so 16 times 2 is 32, okay, and which will bring us to, so let's look for any like surds up here, which there aren't, okay, so we leave that as it is. Now 3 minus 32 is minus 29, so we're going to write 29 here on the bottom and bring the minus to the top. So when we rewrite the top line, we can write minus 6 plus 8 root 6 minus root 15 plus 4 root 10. Okay. And that's that one.